Only 6 months of the year are left and I haven't been able to achieve anything yet. At the beginning of the year I had planned a lot, thinking I would do this and that, in such and such ways. But life kept going as it always had. There was no change. I couldn't achieve anything in the last 6 months, and now the situation is such that I've lost faith in myself. When I set a target or make a goal for the next 6 months, the thought already creeps into my mind that I won't be able to do it because I wasted the last 6 months. Perhaps these thoughts are also coming to your mind. Such thinking might be growing in your brain as well, which is hollowing you out from within. You are very worried about the coming 6 months. But have you ever thought about what 6 months mean? 6 months mean 2,628 minutes, 4,380 hours, and 182 days. 6 months is a very sufficient amount of time, and if you look closely, even 1 month is quite enough. You just need to change your thinking. Look, any decision made or work done with a negative mindset never yields good results. So first of all, you need to believe in yourself. After that, you need to think about how you are going to make the best use of each second in the coming month. You must not waste even a tiny bit of your time. There are 43,800 minutes in a month, which is a lot of time. If you learn to use it correctly, you will achieve something in the next 6 months that will bring you closer to your goals. Remember, those who don't believe in themselves can't achieve anything. A person who doesn't trust himself, even after getting every facility and resource, remains stuck, crying and making excuses. But a person who has faith in himself, no matter how difficult the situation, how poor he is, or how bad the circumstances are, will find a way out and move forward in life on the strength of his belief. History is a witness to this, so if you are watching this video in July and there are only 6 months left in the year 2024, believe me, you have plenty of time. You just need to start using your time correctly, right now. You need to be as ready as a soldier, keeping yourself mentally and physically prepared to act. Keep an eye on yourself to ensure you are on the right path. Protect yourself from enemies, and these enemies are the people who fill your mind with negative thoughts and doubt your capabilities. Distance yourself from such people. Don't think about them. They will come into your life, show you good things, and talk about their success just to spoil your mind even more. I am sharing some practical tips to achieve your goals. Time management. There are 720 hours in a month. After sleeping for 8 hours a day and spending 2 hours on meals, you still have around 280 hours each month. Utilize these hours effectively. In this time, you can master a skill that can set your career. As they say, you can master any skill in 20 hours, so why not use 280 hours wisely? Master micro skill. Let's consider video editing as an example. Many people are learning it, but finding a dedicated and skilled editor who understands and delivers on time is rare. The technical part of learning software is easy, but mastering the micro skills and understanding the creative aspect is challenging. When you combine these skills, you create a valuable package that can significantly enhance your career. Focus and prioritization. Understand where your time is going. Track your distractions. Use your productive hours wisely. Question yourself daily about whether you are using your time effectively. Spend quality time with family without distractions. Always keep your goals in mind and break them down into actionable steps. If you find more than 3 priorities, it means you lack focus. Set clear goals. Setting clear goals is fundamental to achieving long-term success. Utilizing the SMART criteria ensures your goals are well-defined and achievable. First, make your goals specific by clearly defining what you want to achieve. For example, instead of saying, "I want to improve my health," specify, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising 4 times a week and following a healthy diet." Next, make your goals measurable by setting quantifiable criteria, such as reading 20 pages of a book every day. Ensure your goals are achievable given your current resources and constraints. While it's important to challenge yourself, setting overly ambitious goals can lead to failure and and frustration. Your goals should also be relevant, aligning with your broader objectives and values. Reflect on why each goal is important and how it fits into your long-term plans. Lastly, make your goals time-bound by assigning deadlines to create a sense of urgency and help prioritize tasks. Breaking down larger goals into smaller actionable steps makes the path to achieving them more manageable and less overwhelming. Establish a routine. Creating a daily routine can significantly boost your productivity and efficiency. Start your day with a morning routine that energizes you, such as exercise, meditation, or reading. This sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. Allocate specific time blocks for focused work using techniques like the Pomodoro technique, which involves working in intervals with short breaks in between. This helps maintain concentration and prevents burnout. Incorporate regular breaks to relax and recharge, engaging in activities you enjoy, such as hobbies or spending time with loved ones. Balancing work and leisure is crucial for long-term productivity. Wind down your day with an evening routine that includes calming activities. Reflect on what you achieved, plan for the next day, and ensure you get adequate sleep. A consistent evening routine can improve sleep quality and overall well-being. By maintaining consistency in your routine, you build discipline and ensure steady progress toward your goals. Continuous learning. In today's fast-paced world, continuous learning is essential for personal and professional growth. Dedicate time each day to read books, articles, or research papers related to your field or interests. Reading broadens your knowledge and stimulates critical thinking. Enroll in online courses to learn new skills or deepen existing ones. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer a wide range of courses on various topics. Listen to educational podcasts or audiobooks during your commute, workout, or downtime, allowing you to learn on the go and make productive use of your time. Engage with professionals in your field through networking events, webinars, or social media. Learning from others' experiences and insights can provide valuable perspectives and opportunities. Continuous learning keeps your mind sharp, your skills updated, and prepares you for future challenges and opportunities. By integrating learning into your daily routine, you ensure ongoing personal and professional development. Action plan. Creating a well-structured action plan is crucial for achieving your goals efficiently and effectively. Start by acknowledging your shortcomings and areas where improvement is needed. Acceptance is the first step towards growth as it allows you to confront and address your weaknesses directly. Next, focus on tracking your time to ensure it is used efficiently. Avoid distractions by setting clear boundaries and using tools like timers or productivity apps. Utilize your peak hours for important tasks when your energy and focus are at their highest. This strategic use of time can significantly boost your productivity and output. Additionally, identify and eliminate obstacles and distractions that hinder your progress. This may involve organizing your workspace, setting boundaries with others, or minimizing digital interruptions. Lastly, prioritize stress management to maintain a positive and productive mindset. Techniques such as mindfulness, regular breaks, and engaging in enjoyable activities can help keep your mind stress-free. By following this comprehensive action plan, you can systematically improve your efficiency, productivity, and overall well-being. By implementing this action plan, you not only enhance your productivity, but also cultivate a healthier work-life balance. Acknowledging and addressing your shortcomings fosters personal growth and resilience. Efficient time tracking ensures that you allocate sufficient time to tasks, reducing procrastination and enhancing focus. Productively using peak hours maximizes your output and ensures high-quality work when it matters most. Eliminating obstacles and distractions creates a conducive environment for concentration and creativity. Stress management techniques, such as mindfulness and enjoyable activities, promote mental well-being, sustaining long-term productivity. This holistic approach empowers you to achieve your goals methodically while maintaining a positive mindset and overall satisfaction in your endeavors. Be motivated. Remember the deathbed mentality. If today was your last day, would you still do what you're doing now? If not, then change something. This mentality removes fear and helps prioritize essential tasks. Embrace challenges and act swiftly. Achieving a 10-year goal in 6 months might seem impossible, but even trying can lead to significant progress. Remember, your life is not meant to listen to someone else's success stories. Understand that you have a lot of time, but it is limited. Just like how 2023 passed by without you realizing, these next 6 months will also fly by if you don't act now. So, pull yourself out of the swamp of negativity, believe in yourself, and start accounting for every minute from now on. Remember, if you respect time, time will respect you. There is no one more powerful than time, and it can take you places you have never imagined. But wait, if you're serious about overcoming distractions and eager to learn how to overcome distractions, watch this video. I'll meet you there.